Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are starting a new series called Space Fighter. If you guys want to see more, make sure to hit the like button. I just got it. It looks so cool. I'm super excited. Let's start. Whoa. This is cool. This boy. Looks so cool. Oh my gosh. My cord is tangled up. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay, I got it. So, start. Whoa, it's laggy. It's laggy with my recorder. Okay, it's good. So I'm guessing you have this, because it's called Space Fighter, so I guess you fight. Whoa, that's loud. What about if you crash? Nah, that's expected. That's expected, but come here. Oh no, it didn't work. Press Q to find a target. Q. Q. There's one. Right click. Oh, it shoots missiles at the target. So, come on. There's Earth. I'm going to go to Earth. Press the L1 to 5 special weapon. What? Crash into the base. Boom. Press tab. That works. Ugh. What are you doing, dog? My dog's in here is just acting weird. Okay, let's press Q to find the target. Oh! Press Q to find mode, so it gets... Well, oh! I got one. Press E to summon a wingman. Oh wait, press the middle one. Oh jeez. Where's my thing? I just want to go back to Earth. I just fired it. We're shooting missiles to Earth. Oh look, my buddy. What's he doing? He's like... What's he doing? Oh. Well, we didn't expect that. Press F to... Press F. Press E. Let's go. Explode the asteroid. Think I did it? Lucy, what are you... My dog's acting so weird. Is this my clone or something? I don't know what's going on at all. I'm believing the mission. Don't I want to? Oh, guys. We're beneath the map. Oh no, we're discovering secrets in space. Unlocked extra armor. My dog's acting so weird. So very weird. Change type. Let's see that. Heavy. Change extra. A missile pro. Start. Let's go. that was laggy. Okay, get out of the game. Get out of the game. Quit. 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 That was laggy as crap. Stop. Nice. How many people have total games? How many people have I killed? I've hit 4 people and killed 0 people. Great. Split screen. What's this? Don't know. Do not know. I do not know what to do with this game. And my game just crashed. So now I need to play another game. What game to play? Oh, it sucks. There's nothing to play. I play Minecraft too much. I guess I can start a new series called Rules of Survival. This game's really. It's basically Fortnite Battle Royale, but much worse, and I can't afford Battle Royale. So I play the beta version, which I call beta. Where is it not loading? No, my dog's trying to unlock the door. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, we're here. We're here. I don't have to let you out. I'm talking to my dog. Let me open the door. Hold on. Oh my, what? Engine is not ready. Please wait. Okay. I thought the engine was dirty. What happened to the engine? A mashup. Oh, this takes forever. I don't like how I'm so sick. Leave a like to help me. Leave a like also so you don't get sick. For good luck. Because I have pneumonia and the flu, and it sucks. And the medicine really is just like you would never want to taste it. Oh, now I got the taste in my mouth. It tastes so gross. It tastes like pee. It's so gross. Oh, what was that? Ow, 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 ow. My leg hurts. This is taking forever. But hope you guys' day's going good so far. Mine's not. It's going pretty bad. Well, good and bad. Bad because I'm sick and hate it. And the medicine stinks. Good because I'm recording. It was a golf course. It was bad. Yeah, that was fun. This is taking so long. Come on. Odyssey, man. Odyssey. Odyssey. So, we're here. Play. Log me in. So, yeah, this is basically Fortnite Battle Royale. It's just very, very fast. No, I don't want to share. So you start out as this guy. And press start. I'm not starting in 3, 2, 1. Official website www.rulesofsurvivalgame.com. I knew that because that's how I got the game. Oh my gosh. How come my loading takes forever? Forever, bruh. Okay, so here. It is kind of glitchy. But we can explore the map. Punch. Come on. Punch you, because we don't need you. Oh, burn. But, and then yeah, I see, like, it's kind of like Fortnite. It's just, you jump out of a plane. And you fall, and, you know, you fall. There you go. Okay, so, I cannot see a thing. Normally you can, there we go. Oh, I want to go right here. Oh, there's so many people here. There's so many people here. I don't like it. Oh, what is this thing? Get out of my face. Music's pretty cool. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I saw someone just run out of there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, they're right there. Oh, they have a gun. I can use that. Kill them. Kill them. Come on, come on. I need to kill you. Someone already have a gun. And they're shooting me. Well, yeah. I came 105th. Oh! Sorry, that's loud. Let's return to the thing lobby. But you can kind of get the idea that it's kind of like Fortnite. And the reason I know it's like Fortnite because I've seen like every freaking YouTuber in the world play Fortnite. Fortnite Battle Royale. Fortnite Battle Royale. Fortnite Battle. This may sound pitiful, but I thank you guys for 10 subscribers. I'm just saying, I like till we hit it. Because we only used to have 12, which kind of sucks. Or, not 12. Now, we used to have 1. Now we have 12. I'm just saying things. These guys are not... What are they doing? Well, they're fighting. Carry on. It starts at 23 seconds. Oh, lag. Oh, lag. Oh, lag. Oh, lag. This is taking forever, bro. Like, why is it normally doesn't take never this long. Oh, it's in here. I guess nothing. On board 120. So, guys, that is all the time we have today. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications to figure out when I post videos, because I post videos every single day. But, well, sometimes when I'm sick, like me, like right now. But I'll see you all tomorrow. Please comment down if something weird happens. My computer shut down randomly. But, anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye!